I just wanted to show you that I purchased this product for my MacBook Pro so I could have an external monitor. So it's a USB Type-C to a HDMI. So it was, I've already repacked it because I'm going to be returning it. So I just wanted to show you that this is supposed to be a USB-C. It doesn't snap in there. Like, let me show you this. This is one of the dongles that you get for a disk. I'm sorry, for a memory disk, and they look the same. They look pretty much the same, but they don't snap like this one. See, if you look at this, see that? It snaps in. This one just doesn't snap in, so I thought maybe I was setting the external monitor wrong. This was just loose. And let me grab another. This is the charging cable, so it's also a USB-C, and see, it snaps in. And this one, it just doesn't snap in. So there's like a gap in there. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just so, see, this is tight, this is so loose. So this has to go. I'm glad I kept the receipt. The box is sort of intact, but I don't think I'd recommend this for a MacBook. It didn't work out for me. So I purchased this one instead. This is about $10 more expensive than the last one. It's pretty minimalist, but the difference though is that you need an HDMI cable. The last one was just a direct USB-C to HDMI. This one is gonna need an extra HDMI cable. So let's see if it snaps easily. Let me see. There you go. So this one's perfect. Well, I hope it works. There you go. It does snap in. So I'm definitely recommending this adapter. It's a USB-C to HDMI adapter. You will need an HDMI cable though for this one compared to the last one. Thank you for watching.